Hi there, how are you doing? Welcome again. Another video to discuss more things about freelancing. So today I'm sharing with you some habits that you should know and you should have to work as a freelancer. Uh, the four habits are the time management, continuous learning, client relationship, and have goals, short-term goals and also long-term goals. So this is important to work as a freelancer. The first one is the time management. You should know how to manage your time because as a freelancer, you don't have any boss, you don't have a manager. You manage your own work, you manage your own project. If a client gives you a project, you should manage your time to finish it and to review it and to give it to your client in the time you have discussed with him. You should not exceed the deadline. This is very important with your relationship with your clients. This is very important. Also, to have a good time management, you should make a calendar for your day, for your month, week, also, if you can, also for the whole year. This is important because some projects need to be done in 1-2 days, others in 1 week, maybe a month. But there are other projects, long-term projects that need more than a year. So this is very important to have a calendar, to know which project I will work on today, this afternoon, tonight, this morning. So this is how you have to work your day. Also, if in case you have too many projects, you have to manage which one you will start with, which one you have to finish first. The one who take more time, I will keep it for after the one who needs only little time. So you have to know how to manage your time if you want to succeed as a freelancer. As I told you, no boss, no manager. You own the projects, you manage yourself, you manage your time. So this is how you can handle your projects. And this is very important. This is the first thing I have started with. I always respect my deadlines with the clients. I always try to finish before the deadlines. Also, even sometimes I try to, when I'm having too many projects at the same time, I make a sheet where I write every part of the project that I should do and when I have to finish it. That's how I work. So this is important. That's why I was able to make all my clients happy, like 89%. Yeah. I had some problem with some clients, but yeah, that's happened. As they said, shit happens. For the second one is the continuous learning. You should keep up to date. You have to know any news about what you are doing. If you are a developer, you should know technologies and new updates about what you are doing. It's not bad to go and check for some online courses or webinar or maybe get new certificate to learn a new program or something like that. You have to stay updated, also learn new things, because if you are today maybe working as a customer support agent, maybe after a year or 2 years, you will become a technical customer support agent. Maybe after you will become a manager. So even if you are an agent, you should know how to become like a second level, how to become a manager, how to become a project manager, something like that. You should work on yourself because who knows, maybe you get an occasion, they are looking for someone who needs to do that. You can propose yourself. That will be the occasion that you have to seize. So this is why you should always keep learning new things. Why not new skills? Skills that are in the same word as your job. If you are like a translator, why not to learn how to proofread, how to write, how to become an article writer, how to write stories, something like that. So to learn new skills from the same domain where you are working for. So that's about the continuous learning. And as I have said, it's not bad, or it's not. It's good to have a webinar, maybe get some courses, online courses, pay for them. There is no problem with that. If you don't have time to search online, to look in YouTube, or for example other websites that offer free courses, you can pay for them. There is no problem. Just make sure that you are paying for the good course. I always get courses online, but for free. I'm always going to YouTube, like other websites, to learn new things. That need more time. I am suffering from phishing emails because I'm sharing my email address. But there is no problem with that. I still remember the first time I wanted to learn the SEO, Search Optimization Engine, in 2012. The first thing is that I didn't find anyone who can give me a training or a certification about that. Everyone is not sure about how they can do that, or how to give you the correct information, or how the algorithm works. So I had to make a big research. I tried to learn, take this video, I watch it, I can learn something. This one, I learn another things. So I started from this video, this article, this one, and I have make a big sheet like in Excel, and I could make some resume for SAU. And then I started to give courses, online courses, or even offline courses to members who wanted to learn SEO, and that's worked for me. I could have a lot of clients who want to learn SEO, and other clients who want strategy to improve their websites. Yeah. The third habit is the client relationship. This is important. If you have a client, you have to keep it for you. You have to do your best to make it happy. Then make something for him in case he has another project from the same thing. He will contact you back. So you should be unforgettable. So the clients should remember you. So do something that will keep you in their minds. So that's the key. So always respect the respect the client. Make sure you didn't do any things like a mistake, or sometimes the client asks you to do that and that and that and that, but you miss something. So you can, I miss it. There is no problem with that. Also, never say yes directly. So if you don't know something, just say, I don't know. Don't say, oh, I will try to do it. No, there's nothing like that. The client, when he asks you something, you should know it and do it. That's how things work. Because in case you don't do it, or before one day, or maybe 8 hours before the deadline, you send them an email, oh, I'm sorry, I couldn't finish it because I don't know that. No, this is not an excuse. You will burn yourself. So don't do that. Keep your relationship with the clients very clean, good, and make them remember you. Do good things, good stuff. Try to keep it, personal, not only professional. I had some relationship with clients. I'm still in contact with them. Even there is no work, but I'm still in contact with them. Other clients offer to me more than the work. Sometimes I was doing translation for them. For clients in China, sending me items description and item titles to post them in Amazon or something like that, like eBay and Alibaba. And I was always doing only that, translation for description and items title. One day the client asked me, "Hi Ayub, why you don't do drop shipping? It was in 13, yeah. Why you don't drop shipping?" I didn't know exactly what is drop shipping, and he explained it to me. We get a call in Skype. He explained to me everything about the drop shipping, and he wanted me to start doing that because other people are making too lot of money with dropshipping at that time. So I thanks him. That's the first thing I have done. But as I was not okay with the concept, as I don't like dropshipping, so I didn't accept it. I explained him the situation, and he understand it, and that's all. And we kept working on translation. So you can imagine that the relationship between me and my client was not only work, there were other things. So yeah, make sure to have a good relationship with your clients. The fourth one and the last one, there are also other habits that you should have, and you will find them by yourself, and maybe they work only for you as a person. But for me, the fourth habit that I'm discussing now worked for me and for many other people who are working online. Yeah. The fourth one is goals. You should have goals. Yeah. This is very important, not even working as a freelancer, but also in your life. But for freelancing, you should know what your goals for tomorrow, what your goals for this week, what your goals for the coming month, coming year, in 5 years, in 10 years. Do you want only to stay working as a freelancer, doing the same job every day, every week, every month, every year? No, you should have something in your mind. You should have a goal that you want to achieve. And to achieve that goal, you should work on it. So that goal will let you work hard or work smart. That's why. So the goals are very important, short and long term. Both are very important. So try to set goals, write them in your mind, in a paper, anything. Just have goals to achieve them. And the goals will let you work hard, smart, to become a good freelancer. Maybe you are now a freelancer. Tomorrow you will make a new agency. After that, maybe you will invest in offline business, maybe get a piece of land or a restaurant or a coffee shop or something like that. So goals not only related to the work, but also to your personal life. So this is how you can set your goals. So it's very important. Even in the short term, goals in the short term, that's important. So maybe for me today, my goals for this channel in YouTube, I have only one goals. I speak about the short term goal. Only one goal is to post every week 2 video. Every week 2 video. And I'm working on that. Every week I'm posting 2 videos. Then once I do that for like 2 or 3 months, I will set another goal. I have that goal in my mind now, but I will not discuss it at the moment. So goals. So I hope that you will understand the 4 habits that I have shared with you. As I said, those worked for me, worked for many others. They will work for you. I'm sure about that. You can add others if you want, but stick to those 4 habits and you can work. So there is nothing that can block you to success. We are the same. We have the same mind. So yeah, just set goals for you. Make a good time management. Continue learning and have a good relationship with your clients, and you're gonna success. I wish you success. In case you have any questions, just send me a comments. There is my email address. You can send me email. I will reply. Take care and see you in the next video next week. Bye-bye.